So what are your safety program costs? How does safety impact your bottom line? Do you measure accident and incident costs? If you can't measure it, you cannot manage it. Collecting data is important. Here is an OSHA estimated cost of occupational injuries, all based on a 15% profit margin. Let's use the iceberg as an example. We have direct costs above the water, indirect costs below. No matter what, you're paying for these indirect costs, whether you're tracking them or not. OSHA estimated costs of occupational injuries and illnesses are listed on the left. Here are 5 different kinds of injury types. There are direct costs. Then there are the indirect costs. Those two added together give us the actual costs. Now let's look at how much additional sales are required. Again, based on a 15% profit margin. The same 5 examples we used before are up on the screen, and as you can see, additional sales are significant on the right. Is this a strain on your production? How many work hours are needed to pay for these accidents? The National Council on Compensation Insurance says, we should measure all medical cost, but there's also indemnity cost. The indemnity costs increase with the medical costs. The lack of safety also impacts your bottom line. Reduced morale, increased anxiety, fear of injury, damage to company reputation, financial costs of employee turnover. This soft cost to replace employees are real costs whether you track or not. Is it time to rethink workplace safety through a digital platform? Are you ready for a discussion? Contact Kinecta.